Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the array command in 3 different ways. So array is very useful. The first way is the polar array. So as you can see, I've taken this chair over here and I have copied it 4 different times around the table. And you can see that the chairs are perfectly spaced apart. Um, I'll teach you the polar array. The next one is the rectangular array, which means that I take one object and I copy and paste it several different times to the right and also upward, but they're also perfectly spaced apart. So we have a bunch of dinner tables here. And the last one is the path array. So we can take an object and we can copy it along a path. You would see a bunch of dinner tables going along that path, which is a very cool tool. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is the polar array. So I've made a table that is about 4 feet in diameter. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put 4 more chairs around this table. So just type in the word array, or AR for short, click it. Now it asks us to select our objects. So I'm going to select the object we want to array, click enter. And now it asks us to select the array types. Now, see, we're going to go over all of these. We're going to go over rectangular and path, but the first one we're doing is polar. So PO for polar. And now it asks us specify center point of array. So where is the center of all the chairs once you have them there? Well, this is going to be where the center of all the chairs are. And there we go. Now, as you can see, it automatically gives me a total of 6, but I just want a total of 5. So if you want to change the number, you can go up here and put as many as you want. I'll just show you. I'm going to put in 10. There's 10 chairs, but for this one, we want 5 chairs. So I'm going to click 5 and enter, and it's that easy. So we have 5 chairs around this table. Okay, on to the next one. I just showed you polar array. Now I'm going to show you rectangular array. So say I want to copy and paste this table with its chairs several times into a whole room, a big dining room, maybe like at a hotel or something like that. So I'm going to highlight everything, type in AR for array, enter. Now enter array type, we're going to do rectangular. So R, enter, and I'm going to zoom out. And here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. So 4 columns and 3 rows. So there we go. We can also change the spacing between the tables. So I'm going to change I think, we're taking up a lot of room here. So we can bring these tables a little closer together. So you click this blue arrow here and you can just drag them all closer. I'm going to click this blue arrow and bring them a little closer. And obviously, if you know exactly how far away you want the tables, so from center of this table to center of this table, I'm going to say about 9.5 feet. So, I'm sorry, 7.5 feet. So 7.5 feet would be 90 inches. So 90. Okay. And then also 90 inches this way. So I brought them a little closer together to save space in the dining room. And then I click enter. Oh, wait, there's one more thing. So you can you can change the number of columns and rows by typing it in up here. So right now we have 4 columns. Well, maybe I want 5 columns. Type in 5. That's another one. And then maybe we want 6 rows. 6. So that adds more rows like that. Really big dining room. And there you go. You just click enter once you're done with that. All right, last but not least, we have path array. So I'm not sure what you would use this for, but this is called path array. And so I'm just going to highlight this. I'm going to type AR and then PA for path. And now it says select the path curve. So here's the path I want it to go on. I'm going to click this. And as you can see, it copied and pasted this table, this dining table, several times along the whole path here. And they are all equally spaced apart. Obviously, the ones at the corners are not, maybe they're not equally spaced apart here. But other than that, they're equally spaced apart. I can also change how far apart these get. So if I click on this blue arrow here, let me zoom out a little bit. I'm going to put them all further apart like this, or I can bring them closer together, click. And if you know exactly how far, so let's do 90 inches again. Okay. There we go. And then I'm going to click enter. So those are the 3 ways to do array. Hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you very much.